Hi, everyone. You just read and listened to the poem Trees in Our Community. Before you begin to write your response, let's talk about what is an opinion and let's talk about the poem. In the poem, it talked about different trees. Many of these trees that were in the poem we've already talked about before. But now we want to know, what do you think is your favorite? And tell us why. So you have to give us your opinion. An opinion is a statement that shows how someone thinks or feels. So it is what you think is the most favorite tree. But then you have to tell us why it is your favorite tree. It is not what your brother or sister or cousin thinks is your favorite tree. It is what you think. That's right, you. Only you. So when I am writing my opinion or when you are writing your opinion, most of the time we use the word I. So I think, I prefer. That is how we know that it is coming from you, your opinion. So here we have some opinion sentence starters. When I get ready to write my sentence, I can start by saying, in my opinion, I prefer, I think, I feel, I know, I believe, the best thing about, or I can even say everyone should. So, what I'm getting ready to show you, boys and girls, is my opinion. Now, we said that today we're going to write about our favorite tree. So, this is my favorite tree. It doesn't have to be your favorite tree, but this is my favorite tree. So I think the maple tree is my favorite tree because maple syrup comes from the maple tree. Do you notice that I use the two words I think? So that is my opinion. It is not what anyone else thinks. It is what I think. And to me, I think the favorite tree and the best tree is the maple tree because all that yummy maple syrup I get to pour on my pancakes comes from this tree. Now that I wrote my sentence, there's something else that we want you to do. You are to draw your favorite tree. There goes my favorite tree. And I tried to draw as best as I could, add in those detailed colors, but I'm missing a few things. What about those labels? Here we go. I labeled the leaves on the tree. I labeled the trunk part of the tree. I also labeled the root part of the tree. So not only did I give my sentence of my opinion, what I think, but I also drew a detailed picture of my favorite tree and I labeled some parts of the tree. So, boys and girls, here's what we want you to do. We want you to take out page 13. We want you to answer those two questions. If you don't have page 13, it's okay. Take out a sheet of paper or your notebook, and we want you to tell us what you think is your favorite tree. And don't forget to tell us why. Then add your detailed drawing of your favorite tree. And don't forget to show the labels. Show us the different parts of the tree. You can also send a picture to your teacher. So we want to know all about your favorite tree and what you think is the best tree. Show us your best work, guys. See you later.